Creativecrambo, back with another one. Yeah, so I've got 6 bags of Alfagrog to clean. This one's a simple process. I'll do 1 bag at a time. I'll put the Alfagrog in a tub. I'll give this a good old wash off and a clean off. I'll take that to my drain and empty that. Then I'll probably do this a couple of times, and normally when the water starts coming through clear, then you know you've done enough cleaning. So it's an easy process. Yeah, I'll do each one singly, but the most important thing is, after you've done your cleaning, you use your dechlorinator. Very important. Okay, so I'll do that at the end. We just want to say, like, this is an easy process, so all I've got to do is get this cleaned up and ready for bagging up. Yeah, so I just want to show you what material I use for bagging up my filter media, and it's this stuff, and it's actually got a proper name. It's called UV stabilized polyethylene monofilaments. Yeah, quite a long one that. I just like to call it open mesh netting. Let's keep it simple. So the tools you're going to need are a pair of scissors, permanent marker, sharp knife, and a pair of snips, load of cable ties, and a straight edge. I've also made this board up just to make life a little bit easier for myself, and all I've done is put some measurements on there, drawn some lines through, so I'm ready to mark out the netting. I'll just place it on there, put my straight edge on those lines, mark off, and then I'll be able to cut through. So yeah, just something to make your life a little bit easier. Yep, so I've got my tripod set up. It's actually at the right place, height and everything else, all angled at the right height. Hopefully I've got that right for you. A great little tip though for you is, just in case you knock this, you don't want to go through with the same rigmarole of setting it up and angling it down. You've lost your space where you wanted it. All I do is mark off where the feet are. So if I do ever knock that, I haven't got to go through all that again. So yeah, that's a good tip. So yeah, let me show you how I mark up and cut this netting through. Yeah, so I've got myself organised now, cutting these bags, and well, I've got quite a few to do. All this is it's a flat board, and then I put a few measurements on the board, drawing a line through, and then whatever size I want, I can use. Just makes it a bit quicker for me. Like I said, I've got a few to do. So what I normally do is, because that's a nice straight edge on that board, I'll bring the netting to the end of the board, like that. Then take your straight edge on whatever measurement you want. Take your marker pen and keep that a good marker up. Go over it a couple of times so you can see it. I'm actually going to show you 2 ways of cutting this, and they're both quite easy. And take your scissors, you're going to cut that through on the line you made. Like that. So all you've got to do really is just imagine I've just cut that through. You then work your way up that side with the cable ties on the top or bottom, whatever you want to call it, and then down that side there, and then that could either be a big bag or whatever size bag you want. That's the simplest way of doing that one. Now I'll show you how I could with a different method. So same again, edge of the board, straight edge, in your line, but this time I'm going to use a knife. You want to come in about an inch from the end to start with because it will try and drag, so just come in an inch and then start cutting through. A little bit, just cut off. So yeah, that's the easiest way to cut your bags. I'd probably recommend that you use your scissors rather than your knife, only because you don't want to have an accident, slip off with the knife and cut your finger. But yeah, easy and simple like that. Like I said, there's your ties around there, make your bags up, happy days. Just going to show you a better angle of me cutting this through. Straight edge on your line. Coming about an inch. There you go, you can see that a bit better now. Yeah, so I just want to show you a couple of sizes you can make up with these bags. Them bags are made up now, they're full of Alfagrog, and we've got a few to go there. Going to be stacking that little pile up as well. Got plenty there to do, so making a good start with it. Bearing in mind I've got 90 kilograms of Alfagrog to bag up, so yeah, we're getting there. Highly recommend this stuff as well. That green open mesh netting is absolutely brilliant for all this stuff. It's so tough and durable. You can buy it anywhere as well, you know. I think I got that roll from Screwfix for about £12.50, but the amount that you got in that roll and what you want to do with it is it's a no-brainer. So definitely make up your own bags for your filter media. I mean, I've just got Alfagrog in these ones, but you could absolutely put anything in these bags. The holes are so great, it don't let anything by. And I'll tell you also as well, I have done in my main tank with this green netting, I made a couple of blankets up, so I've just cut it to shape, and I trebled it up, tied it all around and everything else, like around the edges like that, and just put that in there as a blanket for a, you know, a media. It is great for that too. But yeah, all said and done, happy with all them. Still got a bit to do to get them all filled up. Just like to say thanks for watching, like and subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see you in the next one.